Hi, I'm Chris from Fine Tune Your Zoom. I'm here to help you visualize how to make your business video calls look their best. As so many of you find yourself not at your place of business and working from home and making video calls, things look different when broadcasting from home. So, am I how you want to appear on video calls? Is this who you want to talk to? Well, let me see if I can fine tune this Zoom a little bit better. Thanks. So, how about now? Is this better? And now? Do you see any difference? Well, do you? So, all along the way, I am turning one aspect of my video call setup to help it make it look more like a video call studio. So, how about now? The last couple of changes were subtle, but the next few are game changers. Now, can you tell me what is different now? Now, this one is a little obvious. However, we made two changes, not just one. I know you see the first change, but do you notice the second change? So I made the change that I was looking forward to making. This is not the easiest change to make. It's subtle, but do you notice it? Remember, when you're working with a frame like we are right now, everything that's within that box is studied and analyzed. If it's not on the box, we don't see it, we don't care, right? So your mission is to reduce the distractions and enhance the attractions. That way you will show the best part of yourself and the best part of your environment. Did you notice the change? So this last change is twofold. You can see the difference, but can you hear the difference? Those are the two elements that sort of finish off me turning in my video setup into my video call studio. So let's reminisce, shall we? This is what we do for you. We direct you to project credibility and confidence when making video calls. We maximize the visual of your virtual meetings. You will be in control of all the video call elements. Simply put, if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. What we teach are only specifics. There's no guessing on your part whether you have it right or not. Whether you're going on virtual job interviews, meeting with clients, working with colleagues, we turn your video call setup into your video call studio. I am highly qualified as I have hands-on experience creating and hosting my own TV show, as well as working behind the scenes prepping guests' makeup before going on to the CNN network. I have been trusted by profound people with my services. My services range from video call setup plus makeup touch-ups for the camera, to working with larger company teams that get the importance of professional-looking video calls. Your next step is easy. Make your appointment. If not sure which service is best for you, then first book our complimentary Zoom appointment so we may discuss your needs together. We truly look forward to meeting with you and making your every video call shine.